Hey everyone, Izzy and MJ from Endless RVing. So we don't like doing these type of videos, but we feel they are necessary. They do tell a story and they are important to people in the RV community. So we have some bad news in this video. We also have some good news a little toward the end of this video. We're going to get into the bad news first, just get that out of the way, and then we'll give you the better news later on.
Before we get into the bad news and the good news, just a little aside here. We just got into our spot. It was very dirty. It was pouring.
Yeah, it was gross.
There's mud. It is just really, really messy. So we're just going to do a quick little demo for you on a product that we absolutely adore.
Yeah, and we've been using this for well over a year.
Yeah.
They are the sponsor. This video is going to be Release Cleaner. And while I talk, MJ can show the camera here. Just really quick, guys, this is an all-in-one cleaner. Cleans everything from your glass, wheels, interior, upholstery, everything. It's safe on all kind of surfaces, including ceramic coating. I have a clean towel in my pocket. I'm going to spray. You see some dirt right here. Quickly going to spray that. I'm just going to quickly spray on the wheel. If you get over here, you can see a little bit of dirt.
You love when we do these ads because you get to clean.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. We've been using this, guys, for well over a year. A bunch of our subscribers have bought it. They absolutely love it. Originally for the aeronautic industry, they are now branching out to other areas. What's awesome about it is that there's no dyes, no sulfur, there's no smell, it's odorless, and it just works. It's one-stop shopping.
And you can use it everywhere. I cleaned what did I clean with this? You remember? My
sneakers.
My sneakers.
Yeah, we're all muddy. What's pretty awesome is that they sell all different types, right? So you want a sample, you can get like the infused towelettes. These are convenient to have in your car. You can get,
that's what I used on my sneakers.
right, you can get the 32-ounce spray bottle, which is going to be like the most expensive. I think that's like $16.99. Or you get the 1-gallon concentrate, which will make 80 32-ounce bottles at the heaviest, strongest concentration, which is a 20-to-1 ratio. Cost you $1.12 a bottle, guys. Enough of that. Made in the USA. I'll keep talking. Just, you saw the dirt there. I'm just going to wipe. And that's it. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. You can see the dirt on the clean towel. I'm going to show you the other side of the towel here so you can see. You see the streaks here, whatever? This is going to come right off. 1, 2, 3. And there's no camera tricks here, guys. This is like safe on everything. Takes the dirt right off. If you use the discount code ENDLESS10, you'll get 10% off your purchase, SideQuestUSA.com. If you purchase anything over $75, it's free shipping. Made in USA, guys. We absolutely love it. We're going to put the link down below.
So this is coming from abc57.com. You can find this in a variety of places, but this is where we're taking this article, and it's coming out of Napanee, Indiana. RV manufacturer Newmar has announced a number of layoffs in part to decrease customer demand. Now, we've done a number of videos about this whole topic of RV sales and RV shipments and numbers going down and everything, so this it does make sense. Newmar released the following statement, quote, "In response to recent cyclical shifts in the RV industry, including decreased customer demand, dealer inventory levels, and other business considerations, we are balancing the workforce size at Newmar's Napanee, Indiana campus. With this adjustment, we had to make the very difficult decision to eliminate a select number of roles at Newmar. The company is assisting affected team members during this period of transition. We remain committed to building luxury motor coaches with superior craftsmanship and unsurpassed quality for our customers and continue to be invested in Indiana and the Napanee community," unquote.
Now, what MJ said earlier, the slowdown of the RV industry, we did quite a few videos. We do them every month regarding the shipments as well as the sales. Shipments have been up for the past 4 months. However, there's devils in the details because it's been mostly travel trailers and some fifth wheels that have increased. The motorhomes have continually decreased in shipments, and sales across all segments are down for quite some time now. So this is no surprise. If you go online and look at inventory from dealerships, there are still dealerships with 22s on the lot, brand new, not many, quite a lot with 23s and big discounts.
And we're seeing Newmars, for example, but a lot of
discounted
manufacturers, Dutch Stars that are in the 2s and
used ones, of course.
Of course, yeah, but that people are just not getting what they paid for and what they were getting for them a few years ago for their used.
And there's many different factors. One of the biggest ones, of course, the just inflation, rise, the high interest rates, and the increased cost due to inflation of these motorhomes are quite expensive.
This is really, really unfortunate, and Izzy's going to read a quote for you from the Newmar president, Casey Tubman, who we met in Florida. Very, very nice man who has a lot of vision. He's newer to Newmar and a lot of bright ideas. But it's really sad, this position. We never like doing these videos when we talk about layoffs because people's livelihoods are being affected. It's a shame.
So here's a quote from Casey Tubman. He gave the following statement: "This was a difficult decision to make, but ultimately we must remain disciplined as we address the shifting business landscape. We care about our people and are committed to working with impacted employees throughout this transition." No exact numbers were given. No numbers were given where departments.
Right.
We don't know any of that. That hasn't been released, but if you watch another video we did, we'll link it above, Newmar in 25, they're coming in with a less expensive introductory model diesel. It's not going to be the Canyon Star, it's the front engine diesel, but it's going to be the Northern Star, which is replacing the Country Star. No prices have been given yet, but it is an entry level and is said it's going to be priced less than the Country Star. So we don't know what it is, but of course the market is responding. Now, where does the quality go? We don't know. We hope that they keep up the quality, because if they don't, it's not good. Like any manufacturer that has killed their quality is suffering now.
Very much so, and getting a lot of negative attention on YouTube and elsewhere, and it's we definitely need to turn the corner and head back in the other direction in terms of quality control. And what's a shame is that when you decrease employee numbers, what happens to the quality, right? I mean, you're not having more people work and look at these things, but we have to see how it plays out.
Not only that, one of Newmar's big things, I know when we bought our Newmar, is that their employees that were there for a long time. You had some people there 20, 25 years, dad to son. I don't know if that's still the case there. We don't know. And that definitely does affect quality. Like, you can't substitute the time and experience, because these things are built by hand.
And just a short time ago, if you've been following us for a few years, this was about 4 years ago, if you know Malin Miller was the brain of Newmar years ago, and we became very good friends with his grandson and the family, and we stayed out with them in Indiana, and it was even just 4 short years ago, it was like a totally different company, different environment, the feeling.
Everyone's different.
Not that it's bad the way it's going, because new can always be good, but it's just sad to see change, and like you said about the family and how that's just seems to be changing. So before we move on to some good news, we just want to send our best to those that were affected by the layoffs at Newmar and any other manufacturer, because we know it's happening in other places as well. But we do wish them the best and hope they can find employment
maybe
soon.
Something better.
And, yep.
So let's move on to some good news. Now, if you do know, we have been using SnapPads in our RV for a long time. Like, as long as we've had our RVs, before we even had a channel, we've been using RV SnapPads. So they are a sponsor of this channel, which is pretty awesome. But this is even more awesome.
Well, what do we also love? We also love April Fool's jokes.
This is not an April Fool's joke.
No, but people thought it was, and there was a lot of backlash.
We're here to confirm.
We know about April Fool's backlash, guys.
So here to confirm, they made an announcement, and it's not an April Fool's joke.
They posted on April Fool's.
They are giving a $100,000 giveaway. Well, it's a choice. You can get like a RV and or money, or if you
just money.
Like we have an RV, and a lot of people just 100,000 cash. That's pretty awesome. So it's running this contest. This drawing is going to be running from April 1st through the 30th, and then they're going to do the drawing sometime in early May. Here are some of the details, guys. And this is awesome because, number one, it's a great product that a lot of people are going to buy. Number two, if you use our discount code, Endless10,
we save money.
You get 10% off. 3, you have the opportunity now to win $100,000. So here are some of the details, guys. And this is directly from their marketing department. $100,000 giveaway. Win a new East to West Della Terra travel trailer and the remaining cash, or just take the cash prize of $100,000.
So what you need to do in order to participate, you make a purchase on RVsnappad.com or any local dealer to enter. So dealers get 2 times the entries.
But if you go to SnapPad.com and use the discount code Endless10, you get 10% off.
Right. So every dollar spent is 1 entry. So that's pretty awesome. No discount code is needed to enter, so you don't have to, but why wouldn't you use ours? Because then you save 10%. As Izzy said, this will be running from, it has already started, from April 1st to April 30th, with the winner announced in early May.
So what we're trying to say is that if you have been on the fence about getting RV SnapPads, you didn't know about the discount code, we have it. We'll put the link below. And you have the opportunity to win now, $100,000.
Put in the comments below, what would you do? Would you take the Della Terra travel trailer?
Maybe we should go buy some SnapPads.
Or you would take the cash prize of $100,000?
Can we win? Is that a conflict of interest?
I don't think we can.
We'll have Jason enter.
don't think we could win. I don't want to try. I would just take the money. Put in the comments below, what would you choose?
I think it's pretty awesome, guys. I wanted to share that with you. Wanted to end with something positive. So in the comments below, guys, let us know, what do you think currently about the RV industry? We've done videos about this. We've referenced Brett Davis from NRVC's video talking about the current state of the RV industry. He thinks it hasn't bottomed out, and we kind of agree with that. Just from what we're seeing in dealerships. But we want your opinion out there, what you're seeing. And if you like videos like this, to the left of us, we'll put our RV tours playlist, we'll put our RV news playlist. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.